Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be making a breakfast sandwich. It's basically just toasted bread, eggs, ham, and cheese. It's pretty simple, little salt, little pepper to your liking. I just wanted to share with you guys how I make mine. So let's get to work. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is go ahead and turn on your stove. And let's start breaking our eggs. Now what you want to do with the eggs is to, when you scramble them, you want to put about 2 teaspoons of water in it. And what that does is it makes the egg a little more fluffier. We're going to add a little butter to that. You'll see it's going to turn a slight brown on the outer edge there, and that's when you want to put in the egg. But right about now, what you want to do is let's get our bread started and toasted. Okay, looks like the pan's ready. Okay, normally if you're making breakfast and you're putting it on a plate, you can go ahead and you know, scramble it all up. But since we're just going to put it on on toast, we want to kind of make the egg somewhat like a blanket. You'll see what I mean here in a second. So just move your egg around so it just kind of cooks. It's about halfway cooked right now. Usually what I do is I add on another slice of butter in there. Gives it that buttery taste. Okay, rather than scrambling it, you can either fold it or just turn it over. Okay, so I would say both sides are pretty much cooked right now. So what I would do is turn it on low. I would go ahead and pick up the egg. And I saw this at this one restaurant. Put your cheese over it. Okay, it looks about ready. You see that my cheese is melted there a little bit. So, let's get our toast. This is a whole wheat toast. Oh yeah. There you go. Over there. Now, I put a little butter on my bread here, on the toast. Just a little. Put a little salt, some pepper. I use coarse pepper. The coarse pepper, when you bite into it, you'll kind of, the flavor just explodes with pepper. Not too much, but anyway, there you go. Let's cut that in half. Yes, look at that. Is that tasty? Let's have a bite. You have a lot of different flavors there. You have the toast, the butter, the cheese, obviously, and the egg, which is a buttery type, flavor, and then you have the ham cooked. It's got that little crusty taste to it on the one side. But it tastes really great. It's a great way to start out the day rather than one of those energy drinks. Anyway, hope to see you again. Please like and subscribe. Until then, talk to you later.